My name is Elijah Gurley, and I'm 32.
My name is James Godfrey. I'm 19.
My name is Joshua Godfrey, and I'm 18.
My name is Jerome Godfrey. I'm 20 years old.
My name is Brian Benny, and I'm 20.
My name is Thomas Buster. I'm 17 years old.
My name is Vicki Godfrey, and this is my speech on culture. I chose the African American culture to do my speech on. African American culture is a unique and diverse culture that has had a powerful impact on American society. African America goes as far back to their roots to Africa, brought to the New World, the United States. African Americans adapted to the ways of American life from being a minority to gaining the same rights as other Americans, to special holidays, to family, beliefs, and values. African American has come a very long way, all the way from slavery to freedom. African Americans are very talented and unique individuals. Their primary language is family. Family is very important to them. It's very important to them. Many African American marriages are very traditional in church, believing in monogamous relationship. According to the U.S. Census Bureau in 2012, there were an estimate of 44 plus million African Americans residing in the United States, totaling 14.1% of the U.S. population. African Americans are considered one of the United States minority group. There are many officials that hold public office today in all states throughout the United States. Schools were racially segregated in the past, as though through many rallies and protests, segregation ended, giving African Americans same rights as other students. According to the Department of Education census, about 3 million blacks were enrolled in college or a university as of 2010, which represented 1.7 million or more than 50% since 1990. The book The Great March on Washington talked about the famous march to Washington, which was the largest political rallies for human rights in the United States in U.S. history. The march called for economic and civil rights for African Americans that took place on August 28, 1963. This march is where the famous civil rights activist Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. gave his historic speech entitled I Have a Dream. According to this book, between 200 and 300,000 marchers participated, with 75 to 80% of them being African Americans. When it comes to holidays, one that is very important to African Americans is Black History Month, which is the month for February that is set aside to honor, celebrate, and learn about the black women and men accomplishment over the years. Black History Month was formerly known as Negro History Week. A man by the name of Carter G. Woodson helped got this holiday started for African Americans, and also to help other cultures understand and learn about African Americans. Transportation. African Americans was adapted to American lifestyle. They use same kind of transportation that all other Americans use, such as the train, bus, cars, bikes, etc., to get to their destinations. Cell phones, computers, and other technological toys are used on a daily basis and is required to get through this society. African Americans enjoys gathering for holidays and special events. They love to eat soul food, which is one of their mostly cooked in the South, used with oils and spices. Dishes such as greens and fried chicken are among the favorites in households. During death or bereavement, family gathers for several days, prepare arrangements for the deceased, and have a homegoing celebration. Lots of African Americans elderly are cared for by family members. Most families are very close knit, and those elderlies, grandparents, or just grandparents at all that are well enough, they usually take care of their grandchildren. I'm glad that I share this culture, African American history. I chose this culture because I am an African American myself. I really hope you enjoy my speech. Thank you. I will do roll call again.
My name is Elijah Gurley. I'm 32.
My name is James Godfrey. I'm 19.
My name is Joshua Godfrey and I'm 18.
My name is Jerome Godfrey, I'm 20.
My name is Brian Bennett. I'm 20.
My name is Thomas Bustick, and I'm 17.
Thank you.